Hello, this is October 7th. Today I need your students, if you were not in class today, to do page 176 and 177. Real quickly, I'm just going to very quickly discuss what we talked about. We just did a really basic estimation. So we took and we said 25 estimates. Oh, well, it's closer to 30. So you would write 30 above it. And then 253. And some of the kids said that they would estimate to 300. And I said, yes, absolutely, you could do that. But whenever you have a place values, that you would go to the ones that's the smallest place value and use that. So we would actually estimate to the tens. And I reminded them our rule where when you rounded, you would draw the line and you circle the bossy number. Well, that 3 tells the 5 to stay, so it would be 250. And then we just estimate that 250 plus 30 would be 280. And now we see if it's close. And with this one, they notice, oh, this is weird. It has this spot here. So I had some students that I wanted to make sure that they understood. You should be able to see right here that 253, can you put the 25 here? And the answer is no, because that's not the same number. Now you just made that number 250, and is that the same thing as 25? It's not. So lining up the place values is so important. So that's why they had to fix it and move the 25 here. And then you would add this up. And then you would say that's 8, because 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, and then you have 2 plus 0 is... And then we said how close is that estimation. And according to this, the estimation is very close, and it's reasonable, so that would be a good estimation. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to finish that page. I also quickly am going to do this real fast. It's just an example of this one right here. So 4,678 plus 589. Like we said yesterday, the first thing you need to do is you need to line up the place values. You need to put them vertically. Okay? And what I mean by that is you take this number and you put the 4,000. You always put the larger number on top. 4,678 plus, and remember that's 500, so it has to start in the hundreds place. So you just have to make sure you remember that it's hundreds place value, so it has to start in the hundreds place value. If you put it in the thousands place value, that changes that number to a thousands place, and that's not what the number is. So you would put the 5 here, 589. And so then I just made sure that they understood you always start from the lowest place value. In this case, they're going to start at the ones place value and you move from the right to the left. You cannot add every time correctly if you go from left to right. There are times when it works, but if there's any regrouping, your answer will be wrong. In that case, this is a regrouping question. So the very first one is 8 plus 9. Well, we know 8 plus 9 is 17. Well, I'm not going to put the 1 here. I have to regroup it. So when I regroup it, I put that group of 10 above the number. And then this is awesome. I put 1 plus 7 is 8. And then I have double 8s. So double 8s we know is 16. Well, once again, I have to regroup. So I put it in 1 here. And the way I like to do it, I like to take that 1, and I'm going to put it to the 5 to make it 6. And now I have double 6s. Double 6s equals 12. And then I regroup, and don't forget, you got to regroup that last one. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5,267. And that's what your assignment is going to be for today, is going to be regrouping these type of numbers, making sure you line up the place values first. All right, well, get that done. I'm going to be making another video that's really important for you to watch. Is going to be based on how to sign in. Actually, I'm going to have Miss Miss Stewart was awesome, and she did a really good job of creating her own. We're going to actually use hers. All right, have a great day.